Become an InterNACHI training partner today. InterNACHI empowers its training partners with a free online webinar platform to teach students anywhere in the world. And by teaching online, our training partners leverage InterNACHI and promote their own school and classes to our network of thousands of members, home inspectors, contractors, and real estate agents. And our partners may charge fees for their classes and keep all the money. InterNACHI is the world's largest organization of residential and commercial property inspectors. InterNACHI School is the only home inspector college accredited by the U.S. Department of Education and a college member of the National Association of Career Colleges of Canada. And the InterNACHI School provides partners with additional credibility, a promotional platform, an accredited curriculum, school textbooks, free memberships, and an easy way to make additional money. What do training partners get from InterNACHI? Well, a lot. One is a free online webinar platform on NACHI TV to teach students anywhere in the world. Our partners agree to teach one webinar a year. And they do that so that they can leverage InterNACHI and promote their own school and classes to our network of inspectors, contractors, and real estate agents. We also provide our partners with a lot of logos: the partner school logo, the partner instructor logo, the mentor logo, the InterNACHI logo, and the InterNACHI school logo. We also provide textbooks for our students and curriculum materials so you can teach your classes. Free InterNACHI memberships to all of your instructors and all of your non-member students. Help, if you need it, in obtaining governmental approvals for your school, instructors, and classes. A free listing as an InterNACHI member chapter. This is one of the best ways InterNACHI can help promote your school. A free listing as an InterNACHI home inspector mentor, and this is a great way to invite new inspectors into your school. A free listing as an InterNACHI partner school, partner instructor, mentor, and chapter on InterNACHI's website. A free invitation to join the InterNACHI Advisory Council. A free invitation to present on NACHI TV. A free invitation to become an InterNACHI vendor, and free tickets to InterNACHI's annual Professional Inspectors Convention. That's a lot that InterNACHI provides to our training partners. Become an InterNACHI training partner today.